Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by matching power delivery. Use an 1865W charger or the vendor's rated adapter so the phone negotiates higher current. Once connected, make sure you use a high-quality USB-C or original cable because resistance in cheap cables slows charging. Also, close heavy apps and enable airplane or low-power mode to reduce draw. This lets more available voltage go into the battery. This initial setup ensures the fastest safe negotiation between charger and once done with the basics, focus on thermal and protocol factors. Remove the case and place the device on a cool surface because batteries charge faster when cooler. Make sure you plug the adapter into a wall outlet rather than a laptop or cheap surge strip, since those often limit current. Use a power delivery or quick charge adapter and cable that match your device's protocol so the handshake delivers maximum safe wattage. That's how you get the real speed increase. To finish, monitor the charge and temperature. You want fast filling at first, then tapering. If the device exceeds about 45 degrees C, unplug and let it cool to protect battery health. If charging stays slow, swap to a certified cable and another compatible adapter to isolate the problem, because cables and chargers cause most speed issues. Finally, make sure device firmware is updated and check battery health settings. These can throttle charging when battery aging or software limits are detected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.